Hello happy YouTubers, this is Marcelina. So today we're going to grow beautiful hosta. Hosta is one of the most popular plant shade grown in the garden. You can grow mini hosta, mid-sized hosta, and even giant hosta like this. So this is a blue giant hosta and has a beautiful blue scented flower that appears in summer, and this is very heat tolerant. As you can see, there is no trees protecting the plant, and the foliage is still beautiful and healthy, and it is also very resistant to slugs. So if you want to get this type of hosta, check the link description below. So here's how to grow beautiful hosta. So we ordered this hosta online, and we separated from Beirut, and this is varieties of hostas. We have uh, white hosta, and hopefully Greg soak this in water, because the first thing you will need to do if you order plant online, you have to soak in water for a couple hours to hydrate the root, and probably he's already done this. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to plant this in the small pot until it becomes established. So I am mixing this soilless media. This is the microgreens mixed with sweet peat, and since this is already in the pot, it is hard to work with gloves on, so I'm just using my bare hand. So I will spread the root so it has a good start.
Hey guys, hope you're enjoying our videos. If you'd like to see more advanced gardening ideas, subscribe and click now. And please click the bell to be notified when we upload a new video. It's easy and it's free.
Hosta here, don't plant in a big container right away. Plant in a 4-inch container until it grows a little bit bigger. Then after that, if you want to transfer in the big container, you can transfer big container, or you can plant in the garden. Now most hostas prepares plant shade or full sun, and this hostas prepares fall and shade. So here is also a good technique for growing beetroot. You can mount this soil just like that, and then with the root it's easy to sit on. So just spread the root and then place in the mounted soil, like that. That's another technique for spreading the root easily, and then fill in with soilless media. I don't normally cover the shoot if I grow beetroot, because I want the plant to grow quicker. Okay, so we planted our beautiful hosta in a 4-inch pot. So I'm going to water the plant now. Hosta, let's talk about the care of hosta. If you buy online, like this one, we purchase it online. So once you receive it in the mail, make sure that you inspect the plant and remove any dead tissue if you can't, and soak the plant, the root, in a few hours or overnight with water containing hydrogen. You want to make sure that there is no fungus lurking in the root. and also it helps the root to hydrate. Now I'm going to place this in the shade until it becomes established, and then transfer it to a bigger container once it grows a little bit taller. So let's go ahead and water this bay root. So I use 2020 water soluble fertilizer to water most of my plants, and I'm going to give this to my hosta. So I prepare just a less amount. I don't wanna give them full strength. So instead of giving full uh, one one full cup, I just give it like not even half cup of the solution. Hosta is less maintenance, and it can tolerate in the varieties of soil types, but it does well if you give it rich soil and add some compost to it. And it is not a finicky plant, but it grows beautiful if you take care of them and give them proper nutrients. Okay, so it's already fertilized. You don't have to fertilize all the time, but since we are using liquid fertilizer, we have to fertilize it once a week, and then we fertilize it again. And then once it is established, then we will cut back our fertilization. So when you buy plants online, you get extra plants. So this is extra, and this is like harlequin flower. I will try to grow this, and also I have gladiolus, and I will plant this in a 4-inch pot, and then once it grows, I will transfer to the garden. Gladiolus is also beautiful. Really a thing. So this is the bottom, and it's already producing root. So I just place this here. I haven't grown this type bulb, but I'm gonna see how it looks like. It looks like garlic. It's so cute. Wow. Just place it in here and see how it goes. So I will label this plant so I know what it is. I will put this one here just in case. We finally planted our beautiful hosta in a 4-inch pot. So these are my hostas, guys. As you can see, they're beautiful, healthy foliage. I pre-treated my hostas in spring, like this month. And as I mentioned earlier in my video, do your pre-treatment in spring, because spring month is where the plants will produce a lot of foliage, and once there is a lot of leaves, pests and diseases will get that opportunity to get to your plants. And major enemy of hosta is foliar nematodes and also these slugs. And if you don't take care of your slugs, these slugs will give you a free pruning. So you end up having hostas without leaves, because they will eat your hostas. So what I have done here, I use this product. This is diatoms, and I also use Azotic Plus. Now, diatoms, you spray this around the base of the plant, because this is going to protect the slugs. The slug has this slippery covering that allows them to slow motion movement, and the powder will cover that slugs and making the slugs to dry out and die. And also there is a sharp edge particles of the powder. You don't see it in your eyes, but if you use magnifying lens, you can see sharp, like glass-like, and the sharp edge will cut the digestive system from inside out and then kill the pest instantly. So you can, again, you can apply the powder around the base of the plant, and also you can mix it in water and do a foliar spray. And also I use the Azotic Plus. What I did, I spray like that, just a foliar spray, and at the back, because sometimes the like spider mites also getting into your plants, and they are so beautiful, so we have to protect them. So that's how I protect my hostas. So I will place this one, guys, this product on description below. Just check the description. And this is a brand new product, and I think Greg put a code for this to get you guys a discount. And I have used Azotic Plus for almost 5 years now, and this is the product that I use in all of my plants. So try it and you might like it. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. This is Marcelina at cashewgreens.com. See you next time. A peace.